The thing I was saying is to wait, it's loading. Yeah, it takes a while.
Okay.
Yeah, so if you cascade, so you can have it like this, but this is annoying. I was saying to click on this button.
Oh, okay. Maximizing, fine.
Yeah, and if you do maximize, you have all the different windows as a tab here, and so you could close it, and you can close them all, but it's not because you close them that you lose them.
Okay.
So you can close everything, and then in project here in this tab,
Yep.
you can see your models, and then from a model you can click on the scores if you want to see the scores.
Sorry, from where you go to the models?
Here, project.
Okay, fine. Yes.
It opens up, and then once you're here, you can click new, and then here you can make select the data set and so on. But I think you first want to look at the spectra as such.
Yes, yeah.
Yeah, so you have two possibilities to look at the spectra.
Fine.
If you're in home, you can click spectra here.
Yeah.
And then you see all your data sets.
Fine.
If you click on one, it will open up. And then here you can...
here when I was selecting you, I think so you selected time, some window.
Yeah, but it was because I made it as a column, a secondary ID. Did you do the same?
Yes, yeah. I did for mine's one as well.
Yeah. So you need to, on item, you need to select observe. Observe. Yeah. You can either just color according to the time point, but then each time point will have another color. But here it's not very clear to look at. So you can make like a vector.
Okay, yes, yeah. I use the observation vector as well. Yeah, that's fine.
And then you need to go to here to the observation ID.
Okay.
Because your column is a secondary ID.
Fine.
You do observation ID, and then you can select here the one you have.
Okay, fine.
For time point, we can use this because it's a continuous vector.
And the other thing is, like when you was when you zoom the area, like when I'm trying to I can't, like you zoom certain area like that we will select from, for example, the area of interest should be from 400 till 1800, for example.
Yeah.
So
tools.
Okay. Yeah.
You have two modes. You have this mode where you have this line where you see the X value. You can do zoom, and then you have the zoom glass, and then you can drag.
Okay, fine. Yes, yeah.
And then you can do back zoom out.
Okay, fine. Yes, yeah.
So good. This is important, and the coloring is important, and also to alter the axis and the legend. You can do everything if you right click on it and format plot.
Fine.
It's like an Excel.
Okay.
You can do your axis, your x-axis, you can give it a name. You could say wave number. Then you have the wave number. You can do the font. You can change it to, you can change the size, which font, if it needs to be bold or italic, stuff like that.
Fine.
So you can do everything here. For example, on the x-axis, on the y-axis, I remove to show the title, but you can click it and do intensity. And then you will see it appearing here.
Okay, fine. Yes, yeah.
So that's the first thing to look at spectra. So with
Mm-hmm.
home spectra, you look at all spectra in a data set,
Yeah.
but you can also select certain spectra, and you can go to a data set, monitoring experiment,
Yeah.
and let's say you want to only look at the first 10. You can select them, right click, create plot X ops, this here,
X ops.
and then
Okay, fine.
yeah, and then it will only plot the first 10 spectra.
Okay, fine. Fine. Yes, yeah.
Yeah, but
Yeah.
if you color now according to the time, it will be blue because you only have the first 10.
Mm-hmm. Yeah,
Here,
yeah,
for
yes, yeah.
example, here you could, if you color by observation ID just time point, here you can see then just with a color code, the first one
It will
be
change.
green.
Yeah, okay, fine.
Yeah. So here it could make sense to color it like this, but if you have a lot of data, the observation vector is very useful.
Fine, okay, yep, yes.
Also, if you want to change the x-axis,
Yeah.
because now it's from high to low wave numbers, usually it's the other way around.
Yeah.
Here, appearance,
Yeah.
you will see that another view becomes available. If you click here, reverse axis,
Mm-hmm.
it will be like this.
Okay, fine.
See it?